on the day. These we're using on focuses and just about the whole bloody Ford range, to be honest. I tend to find you pop the key out there, give it a wiggle, give it a pull, and she'll come to 2 bits. Right, that bit there with the key and the flip in it, there's nothing in it, so just put it to one side. This is your remote side, okay? So best thing to do, I find, is that in there, push it aside. Take your battery off. There you go, you got battery there, negative side up. See if we can get that out and have a little look what's in there. We have got, if I can get it into focus, a CR2032 if you need one. 2032. Let's just stick that back in there, get it right though. Got to put them edges in first. Right, I'll put that to one side. There's your circuit board inside there. Let's ping that out, shall we? Or at least try to ping it out. I think this is a bit stubborn, these ones. See if I can get the key in there. Right. Here's your chipboard. Does all the work. That works. That clicks nice. That clicks nice. So in here you've got like a shell, like an inner built shell, which obviously doesn't come out. Well, it probably does, but it's not going to come out easy. So there's your inner shell. We've had a good look at that, and that pops back in that away. No, it doesn't. Put that corner in first, slide her in, push it down and in. Okay, you go and press the button, you can hear it clicking. Tells me it all works. Right, what we'll do is put that back on there, like that, and there's your buttons clicking. Alright. Slide that into there, like that. There you go. All works. Easily done. See you in a bit. Bye.